Hello, today we will guide you through how to change map type on Life360. If you want to customize the way your map looks in the Life360 app, this is a quick and simple setting to adjust. Changing the map type can make it easier to view roads, landmarks, or different visual styles depending on what you prefer. We'll walk through exactly where to find this option and how to switch to a different map view. To begin, open the Life360 app on your device. Once the app launches, wait for the main screen to load fully so you can see the map area clearly. This is important because the setting you need is located directly on the map screen. If the app opens to a different section first, just return to the main map view before continuing. Next, look toward the right side of the screen for the map type option. This control is usually shown as a small button or icon layered over the map. Tap on that map type option to open the available choices. This is the menu that lets you change how the map is displayed. If you don't notice it right away, take a moment to scan the edge of the screen carefully, since it can appear as a compact icon rather than a large label. After tapping the map type control, choose the map style you want to use from the available options. In this example, you'll select a sample map type. Once you tap your preferred option, the map should update automatically. This means the new display style will apply right away, so you can immediately see the difference in how the map looks. When choosing a map type, it can help to think about what you use the app for most often. Some map styles may be easier for everyday navigation, while others can make surrounding areas or terrain more visually distinct. If the first option you choose doesn't feel right, you can always go back and switch again using the same menu. That's all it takes to change the map type on Life360. Open the app, tap the map type control on the right side of the screen, and then select the map style you want. It's a small adjustment, but it can make your overall experience more comfortable and easier to read.